What's up, guys? Today we are back with another video, and today we're going to be going through our tackle boxes. So we like fishing a lot, and we're going to go through all of our fishing tackle and a bunch of our stuff. First, I'm going to go through my stuff, but first of all, got this little spinnerbait here. I'm fishing with my friend, and he found this one spinnerbait, and I got this little Paratail swim bait on it that I put on. I didn't find it with. Then I also got this little Amazon tackle box that I got. It's mostly like salmon, like bass lures and pike. Just some nice looking spinners, stuff from Amazon with the bird feathers and all that stuff. Just a cool little spinners, all these stuff. Pretty cool. Next up, we got my actual tackle box that has all of my good stuff in it. Here it is. There it is. Alrighty, so we're gonna go slot through slot. So first up, I got the slot in here that has some hooks, like jig heads, all that stuff, and then I got this little Ned rig in here. And then I got this little tiny ribworm with some hooks attached to it, some little blue BB hooks. Of those hooks, I got some more hooks in here. I got some, what's called the Ned rig hooks, Texas rig hooks, and some plastic salmon eggs and some weights in there. And then, yeah, and that's it. The next slot, we got this topwater popper. Cool little design on it. Got this little green swim bait with some patterns on it. The red bottom. Next up, got this paddle tail swim bait with jig head. Nice little swim bait. Next up, I got this little deformed Texas rig, little soft plastic, it's melted. Then I got this little Ned rig with a ribworm. Then got this little jig head with a swim bait. And then last, got this little weight with a swim bait. Then we got, the next slot, we got little snake head with a ribworm on it. Then we got this gold spinner. A little heavy, but it's fine. Then got little bobber. Then I got this little spinner. Caught me a good amount of bass. Then I got this white grub, the jig head for some crappie. Then lastly, in this slot, I got this tiny crankbait for bluegill. I've tried it out, but I haven't caught any bluegill on it. Just didn't want to bite it. Next up, in this slot, I got some soft plastics, some more worms, and then this big swim bait. And then I got some watermelon Senkos. Then next slot, got these ribworms, 4 inches. Then in the upper slot, got this chatterbait, green and chartreuse chatterbait with a nice old ribworm. Next up, we got this other bigger slot with this clear blue swim bait. Then we got this nice Hack Attack jig with swim bait on it. Then we got this jointed crankbait with a nice design. Flicker Shad 7, I think. Then I got this little beat up underspin jig head with this green swim bait. Got a good amount of bass on it. Then I got this deep diving jerkbait, crankbait. Nice big old lip. Now I got this $10 blade jig I got at Walmart. It's for Palo. Right there, as you can see. And then I got this Flicker Shad 5 deep diving that I somehow caught a crappie on. Then I got some bells, and that is it for my tackle box. Now we're gonna go through the bigger tackle box that my brother has some lures in, and then we got a bunch of soft plastics in.
So this is my topwater frog. It's a nice one.
So we got a bunch of my brother's lures in here.
It's spinnerbait, my blue crankbait,
Blue crankbait. Nice.
some more stuff.
Jig
Pad, spinner.
And
And yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. And then
spinners. And then got Whopper Flopper.
Whopper Flopper, more stuff. This little crankbait.
Got some Texas rigs.
Texas rigs with
Some baits.
circles.
Then we got some larvas.
And then we have this one crankbait.
Jointed crankbait.
Crankbait.
Diving.
I caught my first basses on this. The Mayor swim bait and a weight. Then we have some more like swim baits
Some soft plastics.
and
More bells.
another swim bait. A lot of bells.
More swim baits, as you can see.
Little crankbait.
Yeah, I got this little swim bait that I got.
And some more hooks.
Texas rigs.
Whatever
The
this thing
craw.
is.
Some Ned rigs.
Ned
There.
little,
Some more
yeah,
craws.
claws. And
Bells.
some
Ribworms. And then we got some squids under the
here's
swim
like a
bait.
Senko.
Some smaller Senkos, 3 inches, I think. Some young dingers, the one I have too. Again, we've got my Mayor swim baits. Those are mine.
Yeah. Got a bunch of stuff.
Got a bunch of weights, bobbers. Got,
The Mayor.
got some Mayor swim baits that are mine. Got this mini tackle kit that I made with a little lipless crankbait, 2 jig heads, and some light up things.
And also, we have
Some more swim baits, soft plastics in there. And then my brother got these top water eye candy.
paddle shads.
Yeah, those paddle shads.
Shad.
Yeah, I got a weight in there on the bottom, as you can see. Let's see what's there. There it is. Got a bunch of random fishing stuff in here. Just cool stuff. And that is pretty much for our tackle boxes. If you can, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and also if you got some time, maybe try and comment 1 out of 10 for our tackle boxes and who would win. Now, just in case, this is not my brother's entire tackle box. He lost his tackle box, so he got all the lures in here. So a bunch of we share. So yeah, all of his lures are in here and stuff. So 1 out of 10 for a tackle box. That is it for today's video. Peace.